Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications from this watch. We can uninstall applications from this watch in two ways. The first way is to do it directly from the watch, and the other way is to do it through the phone application. First I'm gonna show you how to do it on the watch, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the phone application. Okay, so to uninstall the applications through the watch, open the activities menu or favorites menu by pressing the start button. Then scroll through the menu and look for the application you want to uninstall. And then press and hold the menu button. And then scroll down, select delete from the device, and then confirm by pressing the upper button. And the application will be removed from your watch. And to do this through the phone application, open the GARMIN Connect or the GARMIN IQ store on the phone that is paired with your watch. And once you open the store, exit, you should see the home page, this one. Now you can tap on device and then my device apps. Here you have the list of applications installed on your watch. You can tap on one and then tap on more options icon, tap on uninstall and tap on uninstall. And the application will be removed from your watch. When you open the activities menu, it should be gone. Okay, and that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.